Every company has individual data governance needs, and the tool they use should always be ready to meet those needs. Every Acurity solution includes custom properties, which allow you to assign completely customized fields to any object type. This way, you can personalize your Acurity instances according to any data governance methodology you wish to use. Apart from basic fields such as codes, links, and drop-downs, Acurity allows you to add advanced custom properties. For example, adding a relation between any two object types in the app. All this is accessible to users in just a few clicks without the need to contact the R&D team. Customize anything to fit your data governance needs. Find custom properties now in Acurity. Check our website at acurity.ai to learn more about the benefits that our new features can bring to you.